This episode is in Dolby Atmos. Put on your headphones and feel everything around you.
I know why they're watching me. It wasn't just the searches or the silence. It was that one night and the messages I never sent.
Stop scrolling now. That's what the system heard everything.
It starts with a number.
You want to believe the system is blind, that it can't know what's in your head, but it can feel it. It tastes it. And mine? Let's just say they're not wrong to be afraid.
A movie once showed us that one day you will be arrested for things you haven't done yet. We call it fiction. But what if that future is already here?
We thought we could prevent crime by predicting it. But prediction became assumption. Assumption became action. And once action starts, innocence becomes irrelevant.
At first, I thought it was my imagination. Every quiet moment felt monitored.
The drone was early tonight.
They're not guessing anymore. They're watching.
He helped them build it. Lies sound better in a suit.
Dr. Cyle, let's go back to the beginning. It's been on my mind for days, Dr. Cyle. What exactly did you build?
A system to identify risk factors. Pattern detection. It was meant to guide decisions, not replace them. But the lines blurred.
The first time I noticed, my fridge asked if I was okay. I laughed.
People in certain zip codes started getting flagged just by living there.
Not flagged, predicted. The system decided location was behavior.
They said it was personalized ads,
Behind you.
but the ads knew too much.
Was there a moment you realized it had gone too far?
Yes, when they stopped asking for probabilities and started demanding certainties.
You're not invisible.
Hey, 1 second. My daughter Luna is calling me.
Dad, I heard everything.
Hey, princess, I'm in the middle of the podcast right now.
If the system decides everything, then who decides the system?
That's the question we never asked in time. Now everyone lives in their own bubble, thinking they're not been seen.
Before I forget, this episode is sponsored by W&G Tech Inc. My dad says they build smart stuff that actually helps people, not watches them. You should check them out.
Luna, maybe you should go.
No, I want to hear this too.
I didn't post,
Even silence
didn't click,
has a pattern.
didn't speak.
They flagged me.
That
There's no
was
court,
suspicious.
no defense, just prediction.
Silence was the only thing I thought was
The
safe.
system renders judgment before you even make a decision.
I think it's watching me, waiting for me to slip.
No, I built it to know people, to understand them.
Isn't enough.
But they stripped the meaning out of the data. They turned people into targets. I watched it happen, and I wasn't strong enough to stop it.
They keep a shadow version.
What if he flags the wrong person? A kid, a woman, someone like
It does
Mara.
every day.
One step is all it takes. They're not guessing anymore. You've already all been seen.
We thought we would see it coming, but it came watching us. Thanks for joining on another mind-blowing episode of the Enigma Podcast.
They said, if you've got nothing to hide, you've got nothing to fear. But what if hiding is all that's left?
And remember, stay curious, stay questioning, and keep unraveling the enigma.